Hi friends, this is me Rahul Dahal, and this is going to be my first video. Well, I was planning for a long time to start some live streaming or maybe some videos related to trading financial market, and finally I tried myself to do a few setups for myself, and this is my first video. And yeah, I already have traded before 4 days, like I have been trading here for a long time, but for this video what I was thinking is that I was checking my system, how much probability or how much time my trade goes right and how much time it get wrong. So I was trying to figuring out uh, its its ratio for its probability. So yeah, I already did my three of my trading, but I haven't took any videos for that. That's on my file, where three out of three trade were profitable. But in the second one, on the second day, the first trade was went on my favor, but because of tight stop loss it got hit. But the another trade on the second day, it was right. So altogether, three out of three trade were right until now. So this is my fourth day for trading. Since I am this thing came on, the planning for doing video for trading, it came on my mind of for so many months back. But yesterday I finally uh, did everything. So that's how that's the reason I couldn't be able to uh, post my previous trading videos. So I will be continuing doing from today. So maybe I don't know, maybe I'll be posting all these work on my YouTube channel. I'll give you my YouTube channel, and I'm thinking to make my Facebook, my Insta, whatever social media there would be to reach you guys. So here, yeah, uh, what can I say? Usually I'm a retail trader. Maybe you guys have been doing trading for a long time. So as I, and almost like I think I started from 2019 and until now. But yeah, it's a long journey, and it takes time, guys. Whenever people say that trading is easy, yeah, like any you could predict like what would be happening, it should go up or down. Like that's the only thing. But to be consistently profitable in the market, like you need an experience, and you need to have knowledge on that thing. So so likewise, uh, before working in any industry, we need some sort of knowledge. So as we also need deep knowledge to work in this industry. So I'm not a full-time trader. I'm doing something else for my life, for my daily basic needs. But yeah, since for a few months I was doing a study related to the different level of trading usually the institutional traders do in the market. So I was fortunate that I came to found out a few of the institutional trader uh, in the market, and I followed them. I tried to learn. I read a books given by them, and I saw a lot of things, and I came to find out so many things. So I thought that this kind of informations has never been given in the YouTube or in the social medias. So I tried myself to work on this system. So right now it is working nicely. Yeah. So why not? We should share this idea to all the people, isn't it? For a few couple of days, I'm not giving a total tutorial related what I like, how what to do. I'm not teaching us basic things. As I said that my plan would be for 30 days continuously, uh, continually checking my system and try to see like how much the ratio for winning would be, so that we could know that how much the system is working. Yeah, that's all it would be, guys. Like and I would just want to say that I'm from Nepal, but I'm an international student here, studying in Australia. So yeah, that's what it is. So there might be a lot of viewers here from different parts of the world, so I thought that maybe I should make my video in English language, because that how people will understand. But I know that a lot of people from Nepal, like they are also increasing, they are also youths, they are interested in uh, doing trading in the international financial market. So I would also make some of the videos in Nepali. I'll try my best. So yeah, so English is my second language, friends. So if there would be any kind of mistakes, so I hope you would consider. Yeah, so let's go. So here I'm using so I'm doing Euro USD. I'm sorry, actually I was planning to do this video a few hours back, but yesterday night I didn't sleep well. So after work I just slept and I just woke up, and yeah, I'm a little bit late for the session, but still we can do it. So I'll be opening the two different windows here. Okay, let's see what happened. Yesterday I couldn't be able to come on the market, so let's check. Let's refigure everything. Let's go to daily. What's going on? Oh, market is showing some changes. That's good. Daily level, all right. And a lot of the viewers might be thinking like, what is different? What different is this trading than anyone else's? Is that yeah, you could find related to this. Everyone has their own systems. So I have developed. I tried my to use others' knowledge, like other people's knowledge, to develop my own system. So that's what you should also do, and stick on that. That's the best of suggestion I would give to everyone. So this is the daily range, I think. And guys, yeah, as I told that I'm using, like I'm trying to analyze the market by as like the institutional trader do. Is what is the difference between institutional and a retail trader? I came to found that we usually rely on these bar charts, like these candlesticks, but that is not the only one thing institutional trader they rely on. You have to seek for other level 2 data, like usually level 2 is the order book, but yeah, you could even see DOM, like the data of the market, or you could even some of the people, they just see time and scale and everything, like it's depend upon how you use it. So I'm just using here the order flow, and the data is provided by the exchanges all over the world. Like if you are trading in Euro USD and your provider is from the Onda, the exchange is Onda, then the platform you are using, then you should get data from there. I'll also post the video related to that, and you could find so many platforms to get the data from. Maybe your broker also provide you this sort of data, but right now I'm using it from the Go Charting, because it is the web based data provider, and it's quite cheap compared to others. So that's what I'm doing. So let's see, I have already done here Euro USD. All right, guys. Oh my God, I'm think I'm quite late, or what's going on? Okay, Asian London. I think it's already started. My gosh. I just like to do things like this. All right. So here I'm using EMA, so it's the 20 and 50 EMA right here, and I'll be also looking the fib label. People just say that the indicators, they don't work with the price action. Yeah, price action is also important, but the indicators, whatever the peoples have given you already in the platform, so you can use anything. Like you shouldn't be totally focused on these indicators, but the indicators, simply they are the averages of whatever happening in the market for a long time. It's a systematic process of generating the data. So you could figure out in what trend the market is going on, but you can't just make your decision based on these indicators. So these are simply the, how can we say, it's like a trend provider. So you can use it whatever you want, anything would be work. But what you need is the secondary data, like the main data from the present data from the exchanges and your system. That's what it is. Okay, the 15 is all right. Let's see what happened today. The market opened here. I'm trading usually in London because I'm right now in Australia, and if I have to trade on US market, then I have to wake up late night, so I don't want to ruin my sleep pattern. So I'm just focusing on London. It's best for me. It's almost like 7 p.m. right now here, and yeah, all right, that's good. Mm-hmm. This platform is very good. You can see a lot of things here, guys. If you really know how to read the data, the statistics, then yeah, you can do it. You can find, like, this is the order flow data. This is the bar statistics I'm using right now, and you can even use a lot of, like, this is the depth of the market. Where is it? Yeah, look, you can see the price levels in which it's trading right now, and the bid and the arcs in the market, like in which part there is a lot of contracts happening. Well, there is a lot of things in trading. I'll slowly try to explain it on different videos, but yeah, right now I'm doing Euro USD is the onda, like it's a spot market, I guess. So if you would be trading the futures, then it called as a derivative. So we call the contract on there. I also use contract word whenever I'm trading here to analyze my data. Yeah, depth of the market, and this is the order book, I guess. Look, this is the time and scale. This is the price it's trading on, and then the lot, the sizes, and the time, the transaction happening. If you see this kind of candlesticks on your chart, look, guys, that's the behind the scene. Like in this candle, the red candle here in 15 minutes, these are these things happening here. Look, what do you see here? So this is the time and scale. I don't use these things a lot, but you can use for your analysis. I'm solely focused. I'm mostly focused on the order flow. Yeah, I'm an order flow trader. And yeah, let me open my terminal. Like right now, guys, I'm not trading on a I'm not trading on the real account because I'm testing my system. So I'm using my CMC market. It's a demo. It's a demo account. So let's use this one. Wait, what happened? Yeah. All right. So I usually execute my trade from MT4. Right, guys. This is the MT4 platform. You can use whatever you want, like your broker account. So what's suitable for you, you can do that. Oh my gosh, what happened? Where it is gone? Where is gone? All right, the volume increased before, but right now I just don't like when this doesn't open on the time. All right, here we go. So this is the MT4. All right, we'll be taking our execution from here. Today my bias is getting long. Let's see what happens. This is a new order. I'll be only trading here in maybe 0 0.01, 0 0.1 lot, I guess. Yeah, let's take a time. We need more time to analyze the data. All right, the volume keeps on increasing. Not yet. All right. Whoever watching this video, you guys are in a right place, I guess. Just kidding. But yeah, if you like the video and if you found this video to be the part of your life, then please share it with your friends who are also serious on trading, because yeah, I'm a serious guy in trading. I have spent a lot of time doing research and doing all these things to finding out, and yeah, it takes time, guys. I'll slowly capture all the things like about trading, like how I did what I see, those kind of things, but I'm solely here right now to show you guys my system and how it works. All right, I almost forgot my analysis, like, because I was talking with you guys. Let me focus what happening. All right. Yeah, there's a lot of trading happened here. Volume also keep on increasing by volumes. Minus put it cumulative delta. Let's drag it more to the upside. Alright. Cumulative delta got high. It's almost positive, I guess. Let's see if there will be any news today. It's also good to see. I even traded in the news, guys, as I use these datas. I know what's happening in the market. Before, like a lot of people, they say don't trade on before the news, after the news. But if you have data, yeah, you can try it. Yeah, we have, but right now, yeah, we don't have anything. But Saturday night at 1.15 a.m. per USD, it doesn't matter. You can do your financial like fundamental analysis also, but as we are trader, we usually don't need fundamental much. But if you are a long-term trader, so because you know, guys, what difference between the technical traders and fundamental investors is that we usually they are long-term based, but we guys, like, the main aim of the traders should be uh, getting the price in a valuable position. Like for example, if you are selling, like, you should sell in the expensive, or if you are buying, you should get in a discounted level. That's what it is. Yeah, you should get a value in your price. We'll talk about it later. This is the random. I never do this kind of fundamental, but still you can get, like, this is the euro USD, and we are buying euro against USD. So if news which is good for United States, like US, that's bad for us because we are buying euro. But if the news is against US, then there's chances that the euro would go up. So if we see S&P 500 today, what happened right now? This is, yeah, Nasdaq is up, S&P 500 is also. Israel 4-day war cross with Hamas starting Gaza. A lot of time it helps also, like I used to see before, but not much. Yeah, let's not focus on here. If you want to read the report, you can just click in here and you can see all of these things here. Israel 4-day war truce with Hamas started in Gaza. Fighting in the Gaza Strip is mean to cease for 4 days. Hamas is said to free 50 of 240 people it took as hostages. All right. All right, there's a good and bad news at the same time. Like the war is still happening. It's a part. It's the it's the what do we say? It's breaking news kind of thing. But Hamas they have decided to set free 50 of the hostages. So it's a good news at the same time. So, but yeah, the long term trend is almost showing because the war continuing. So yeah, these kind of things you could do. But for me, yeah, you should get an idea of what's happening, but you shouldn't solely rely on these finance like these fundamentals news is. That's all. For me, I'm not saying you shouldn't, but yeah, because this data keep on changing on every session. So, but still we can see as if we have to do a bias like the Nasdaq and S&P 500, they have increased by 0.41 0.46 percentage today in the market in Nasdaq and S&P 500. So showing that yeah, good day for US, I guess. Look here, the crude oil has declined. It's just opposite, guys. Like whenever the commodity increases, the US dollar it's good for it's yeah it's good for US dollar. But when the currency goes up or the stock in the US it goes up, the commodity just declines most of the time. Most of the people they love to trade in crude oil. I also do commodity trading before I did in gold, but one of the professional institutional trader, I also watch his videos, and he was mentioning that if anyone wants to know the fundamentals and fundamentals of market, then they should try crude oil because it's a mother of commodity. Maybe the people who are trading commodity they know it. Yeah, natural gas, crude oil, they are very volatile, and you get a lot of volume trading there. So you can try that because it's the commodity. So we use it in our daily lives. So usually the demand and supply it works better in these markets rather than other stocks and currencies. But yeah, you could try because at that time you have to see a lot of data. You should be doing a fundamental analysis, like you should be looking the inventories of crude oil coming in every week, the commitment of traders, yeah, that sort of things. I also need to see those things, but yeah, in surface that's what you would be doing. So guys, our bias is that we would be taking along from here, but the trade hasn't come yet in our system, so we would be waiting. That's what we have to do, guys. And one thing I want to say to beginner traders is that yeah, we keep on changing our system, and we see other people's doing trade and they are making profit, so we try to copy them. But like a lot of traders who have been successful in this market, the only suggestion they give to the beginners is that always stick in your plan, because we never ever, maybe you should ask yourself, like, have you ever analyzed your trade every day? Like if you get wrong on your trade, have you ever sit on the chair and look it after and try to find out what are the mistakes you did for that trade, like what happened, like do you have a system by yourself? Just ask yourself. If you don't, then just make a system and try to follow it. And if it goes right, then you can make a folder as I do. Like if you see mine, then I usually make this is my profitable trade setup. You can see order flow, main setup, trading. These are the things I said, like my 3 days trading. Look, these are all my records I took. So the 3 out of 3 trades, it was a win for me. And if I have some loss trade, then you can even put it here. These losses, yeah, the system which I traded, it's different. Like in this trades, I didn't use any kind of label to datas to took my trades, so it's kind of retail trading style. So I got a lot of loss at that time, but now this is my new system, so this is working fine until now. Let's see what happens. God just blesses, isn't it? Well, look, the market keep on coming down. So what I was saying is that just stick in your plan, guys, and just try to figure it out, like what mistake you are keep on doing every day, like at the end of the session when you stop your training, maybe you lose, you just make a note, like what things made compel what compelled you to took that trade, and why you took that trade, you just write, and what went wrong, like what thing happened wrong, like against what went against your analysis. So you just take the data, like this is a data analysis, simply saying that you should get a data as more as you can. But most of the traders, they don't think about these things. You just dictate the data, and you just stick on your system for a long time. It's almost like 30 trades, 40 trades, and at the end of the day, after a few 1 year, once your system, maybe you took 30, 40 trades, then you just analyze your data. You can do even in 40, 10 to 20 trades, and just see what are the things that are occurring a lot of time. Like finally you can sit there, and you can just do it by yourself. Then you take a pen and paper, or you can just look after what are the things. Maybe you are trading in a wrong time, or maybe you traded on the news, like what factors, what data comes most of the time. So that's how you filtered it on later on, and you try to avoid it. Yeah. And so that's why, like I saw a lot of these trade firms where they are hiring the traders, if you see in the banks, institutions. And if you go to the by, like for example, what are the job requirements we need as a trader, like they most of them, they look for some data analysis skills. Like for example, you should at least have some one programming language um, to know, maybe Python, everything. Because like the nowadays, what can we say, like for example, nowadays the algo trading, it's going like most of the institution, like according to my research, I came to find out that most everyone just use algo trading, because they are doing uh, how do we say, like high frequency trading. Like as I'm watching it in 15 minutes, they are taking a multiple trades a day. And they are there for, and they are capturing the movements in one it's almost like below one minute, in 1 minute, and taking us, like. So for that, you can't just rely on a person. You should have a system, algo trading. And what they do, they just execute their position by machine learning. Like they code their system, and they give it to the market, and that's how it traded. And at the end of the day, if something goes wrong, they just took the data from there and changed the program and redo it again. And slowly, like the version, it keep on updating, and finally they get a better system. So yeah, that's what. But most of us, we don't know how to use the programming language, so it's better to at least get it from pen and paper. And at the final, and after a few days, you just yeah, analyze it. I'm also learning Python right nowadays, but it's quite for different purpose. But yeah, yes, but it's helpful. But and you can even use ChatGPT. I guess it's very useful software in terms of, because last time I took a few of the trades, almost like 10 of the trades, and I didn't know how should I visualize and how should I do data analysis. I just use ChatGPT. You don't need to code anything. You simply just log in. ChatGPT, you just simply log in, make your account if you don't have. What's going on here? Delta is still decreasing. Okay, what you do is simply, for example, if you took 40 of the trades, if you uh, if you trade 40 of the no 10 of the trades, and you have written, you took a note at that time. Maybe you could write in your notepad, in the word form or whatever, in the note in the computer, and you just copy everything and just paste it here on the ChatGPT, and just tell ChatGPT that what is the conclusion, or what do you want to see, like what is the most recurring events happening in all those trades. Then ChatGPT will simply try to give you. And even if you want some sort of visualization, maybe data visualization, you can even ask to write it in a Python. Like you can just say that you write your all the all the nodes here and say Python that what is the main thing happening in my trade, like why I'm losing, like what is the most recurring thing happening on my losing trade, and it is just filter out of 10 what are the most things recurring in your occurring in your and this gives you a pattern, isn't it? Maybe you would be because last time I did my same analysis, and I came to find out that I was trading mostly on in the news, and I was trading against my system. Like it's better to say that it's easy to say that we should stay on our system, but it's really hard, guys. Still, I feel that. So that's why the system should be fine, so that you could be systematic and disciplined on that. So discipline is the part. The emotion is one of the most crucial part in trading, because yeah, the real traders know that. So you should stick on your plan, and once you give it to the ChatGPT, it will just give you some filtered knowledge, filtered information about your trading. And if you want to visualize that all things, you can just simply tell that write all these things in Python, code it in Python, and you just tell him it will code it in Python. And once the code is written by the ChatGPT, you just copy it. And there is another, I use it as a replict, or even in your mm, sorry, yeah, replict or anything, you can just put it there, and you can generate your visualization. We will do this kind of things later on. Yeah, I'll teach you everything. I tried to not teach. I am not here to teach, but yeah, we are same, but still we are sharing knowledge, isn't it? So all right. Mm, all right, all right. You can use this order flow data from other sources also, guys. You don't need go charting, but yeah, for new beginners, if you don't have much money and you need yeah, you can use it, but it needs a lot of practice and knowledge, guys, to see all these datas. So you should before getting it, I suggest you to read about all these things, and try to see videos related to that. And only you should because like you have a data, but if you don't know how to use it, then it's meaningless. So what I suggest you, for me also, like I read all these things, but the trader, this trade though who invented this, like, or maybe the institution who are using the data, it's just the data, like the information what's happening. But at the end of the day, that's why I told you that no indicator is bad or wrong, because everyone has their one way of doing their analysis, isn't it? Maybe some would be looking for pivot points, or maybe some Fibonacci, or maybe some should be solely focused on the price action. Maybe someone would like to buy or sell in from the consolidations, like from breakout traders. So depends upon you. But what are you missing? What most of the traders missing is the data. So that the recent data, the live data, so it's given by the exchanges. So try to get benefit from it. So that's what I'm trying to say. And that's why I said that make your own system. Like don't just today I just make this video, and you thought that maybe, yeah, this is good and I should avoid doing my skip. You might skip your system. So I wouldn't suggest that. I just told you that stick on that, and try to understand the label to data, how it works, and combine it with your system. Because what you are missing is the real numerical data, like what's happening, like right now, how many contracts are being bought and sold in the market, who are coming, like that's all of things, like most of the traders are not getting. So just stick in your plan and use. That's what I'm trying to say. Maybe I'll be posting this in the YouTube, and yeah. I don't even know how I can get started. But I had a deep feeling for a long time, because most of the time I just keep on thinking about this trading, even though I'm working. Like when I'm in my work, this the trading on my sleep. Like, it's a serious, guys. Like, because most of people who might be watching this, they might know like a few of the serious traders who want to pursue their, like work. You want to work in this field, they know, because how much. Because sometimes you most of the time you just dream about trading, and you just keep on thinking like why the strategies keep on your mind, like most of the time. So if you give a time a lot in few things, in something, and yeah, that's become your dream, isn't it? So now I realize, like, what make your dream, like for your passion kind of thing. But so if you are thinking too much in one thing, and you are giving time on that, then this is your dream, that's all. Let's see what happening here. 600, 700 orders by volume. All right. Mm-hmm. I usually used to come in the market before I hit. uh, I usually, for this system, when the London, like when right now, like, let me show you. We are trading here in London right now, London session. And because like what happens is that in the Asian market, the volume is really low. Like the number of trades happening in the Asian time frame is really low, and it increased in the London. And the US is the most volatile, and not volatile, but most traded session in the entire day. So this is the market. So yeah, and usually I used to trade for the pre-session of London, like when it's about to end the Asian and starting of the London. There are some time frames in between. So at that time I used to see how the big players are positioning themselves in the market, and that's how I took my entry. But no worries, yeah, you should uh, you should be flexible. Like you should have the knowledge, so that you could yeah, you can work, you should work on every environment system. That's what you should be. You have the capability of doing that. So let's check the capability today. All right. Delta, delta, delta. It just keeps on going down, so I don't like that. Cumulative delta got high. Uh-huh. Positive, positive. Mm-hmm. I hope, guys, you weren't feeling bored. That's one. I'm not. I wouldn't be just. Yeah, I wouldn't be editing. I don't know what should I edit, because it's the live session going on right now. I'll be simply posting whatever happened today. So there is no way. I'm not trying to making my tutorial fancy. Like I'm not here to show my editing skill or this kind of things. So I'm just simply using my webcam. I still have my iPhone. I was thinking that I should be making video from that, but I don't know how to import that video in here, because I'm not a good video editor. Like this software I'm using right now for my screenshot, I also get it yesterday in YouTube, like how to do this kind of thing. So slowly we will learn, isn't it? Maybe one day we would be making our video quality even better, but right now, yeah, Maybe mostly you need is the screens behind me. It's not my face, so maybe my voice is quite clear to understand from this mic. So let's hope we would manage that. How much minutes we have to close this candle is almost like 3.35 minutes. All right, seems like the market would go up from here. Let's see what happens, but yeah, it's keep on coming down. It's going down. I'll post it in the YouTube, guys. I don't need anything from you, but I just want this community to grow. Share my page, and let's do the real trading, man. Let's try. Because after all this hard time, by spending a lot of time in this, I came to this position. Like, I'm not in the position, I'm not earning a money right now, but I feel that the system is kind of working, and that's why we are checking right now. So the system is the important, guys. The money is secondary. So you should be focusing on your process, not in the money. So that's why you feel confident, and you just love trading. Yeah. All right, buy volume also keep on increasing, but market is going down. Absorption, we want to see some absorption from the against body. I hope the video quality is coming clearer. I don't know what you guys. We'll keep on waiting. We'll keep on waiting. Let's see. If this candle will close here, we might sort it from here. But as I already told you that my bias was getting long for today, so yeah, we should stick on our plan. Like, but if you need few of the points, if this candle just closes here, and you want some scalping, you can simply, yeah, you trade from here. You can just go downside for a few points, and you can just put your stop loss over here. But our bias is to go long, so yeah, we will wait for that. Because we should follow our system. We system of down. We are not system of down. System of up. I hope that the video is going. Otherwise, it would be mess. I'll keep on talking, and the video is not recording. It won't be good, isn't it? Yeah. We won't be getting low. We are thinking to go up. Volume is quite good. Why I said that the Asian market's volume is quite low. You can see from here, guys. Most of the time people just say, but you should not just look. Here is the Asian, this today's opening. So you could see from here, you could see from here that look, since it's opening, it's only 200. I have divided it from the 100 lots, so you can just calculate by 280 into 100. So that's how much lot of quantity of trade happened. So 280, 288, 400. So it's on the range of 300, 300, 300. And when like the European session opened, you could see the volume like 700, 500, 700, 700, 600. So that's why I told you that it keep on increasing. So and once the US session starts, then even the quantity goes beyond 1k. So that's what it is. So yeah, we should research by ourselves. That's what it is. Look, guys, I already told you that if you wanted some few points, then you could have started from here. But we are not biased. Our bias is to go up, so we couldn't be taking this downside position here. But if you could have done here, you could have get a little bit of points here. Look. Just keep on changing, man. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Alright. Just keep on waiting, guys. We can't do anything. We want to take trade, but yeah, we have to wait. Delta by volume. So volume keep on increasing. It should increase. There should be some absorption down to down. If you see today, it's kind of a ranging. It looks like some range, like in here trading view. So usually people avoid range market after the breakout. Mostly the huge movement comes, but we are doing intraday trading, so we don't care about that. This is our zone where we want to trade. $95.95. high, cut low. Still have 8 more minutes, guys. Sometimes market just goes so fast, couldn't catch the move, but we have to wait. Contracts keep on going up. If market just don't give you a chance, then just don't do it, guys. You have to stick every day on your plan, because you'll get another chances and there will be other sessions, or tomorrow will be the next day. So we should keep on focusing in our system. We are not chasing the price, like we want the price to come in our system, then only we'll be taking. Alright, cut low, cut high, cut low. Yeah. Buy volume is not that high, so volume. Just wait for us, guys. Why you are moving so fast? Don't go too fast, my bro. Just want you to come. Come. Oh yeah, 106, 122. I think we should go long from here. A lot of quantity traded, and yeah, I think we should go long. 5 minutes happened here. Alright, let's go long from here, guys. Buy the market. Okay. So we took a buy from here, and long position. So this is our position from here. You can target 1:2 is the ratio we should be aiming for, but yeah, let's see. We could even filter our position. So what we could do is we should make our stop loss in 1.0. This is just make it below this candle. We would do it. Let's see how much. It's almost like 1:2 ratio, but I usually like to put it 1.9 or 1.92, yeah, because most of the people, they just take the profit before 2. So all right. So this is our, let's our stop loss put here below this, and we'll be aiming our profit maybe here, I guess. let's check how much pip of difference here we have. This is 69 pips of stop loss, and this is 160, so it should be 120, isn't it? Because sometimes I just feel that it's just different in the. Alright, I'll just make it here. Alright, let's see what happens. Okay guys, so we took a long from here, as you can see. So this is our long. We take a long from here, and our target would should be 1:2. You could even target the previous high, but I suggest, because from my previous trading, I know that when you look for 1:2 most of the time, but yeah, it depends. Like, so I from my system, I came to know from my previous three. I usually like to put it 1:92, just one to two few points below. So we will be taking long from here, guys. You can see this is, here we are. Our target is just here. All right. And this is our trade going on right now. What happening, guys? Why it's froze? It's just keep on freezing. What is this? Is Euro USD? Yeah. Okay, guys, time to go long here. We already took our trade. We are here now. One minute is almost like 1 minute to close the trade here. Let's drink some water. I'm following the process, so I'm not in, nor I am in greed, or nor I am in fear. That's what it is. What happened, man? There the market was already going up, and here it's not swinging much over here. That's why the platform is just, it's different, man. You should better choose those platform which has a less number of spreads, so that it would cost less to you. And a few other things you need to consider is make some popular choice, like popular brokers. And yeah, you need to see videos related to that. I don't have much idea on that, but which broker is better. But from a lot of my friends, they are using IC markets, I guess, my brothers. So market is trying to coming down, but yeah, but we don't care because we following system. Yeah, before getting a trade, just works with a guard, man. Just think of some guard. Make a good habit. It's part of the discipline. Just make it. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. takes time, man. I don't know what time it started. It started almost on 7:30 or 7 is now, you see, like it's almost like 8:46. So more than 45 minutes, I guess. This time goes so fast. Just flies away because you can't catch a fly. Because you can't. Why is moving so slow, man? If I could have traded on a little bit before the opening up session, or maybe just opening of the London session, then it would be much faster. Yeah, but yeah, whatever it is. Let's see in a daily level what's going on. Daily. One day. Seems like there is much of selling pressure from here. But yeah. And guys, I just want to say you that as we have targeted for 1:2, but sometimes before reaching to your plan, sometimes there might be a heavy selling, so at that time you just book your profit and get out of it. Yeah, don't just wait for I should be, because a lot of time, like, people just aim for 1:2, or it's a psychological system that we should always, because the risk ratio it should be, but if you're clearly watching in front of you that a lot of buyers is coming in the market and this truck keep on selling, then it's better to be rational, to get out of it and just book your profit. Just saving your capital is the most important thing. Capital management, risk management is a different chapter, but yeah, you should know about it. Don't trade don't trade more than 1 or 2% of your total capital. Like, for example, if you have $10,000, then what is the 1 or 2% of $10,000? So it's almost like $100 in one trade. Yeah, you won't be your loss won't be more than $100 in one trade. If you want to be successful in the trading, you want to sustain long for a long time period. So if you just put everything in one sort, then like it's a game of probability. So you might get wrong, and the market would just eat you. So you don't want it to be done, isn't it? You don't want it to be done. Yeah. Here, all right. Cut high, cut low, cumulative delta, cumulative. How much time? It is 9.38 minutes. More minutes. More minutes. My gosh, why is so less profit showing it, man? Side 0.10. What is this? I traded 0.1 or what? 21. Yeah, profit is nothing, man. This is not a real account. This is a demo, so I don't care how much I'm getting here. Maybe I will be forwarding it later when I'll be posting this video, because I don't want my viewers to wait for a long time. Will this fast forward it, or yeah? The trade might go anywhere, we don't know, but yeah, whatever it is. If my trade go against me, then I'll even post it. Don't worry, guys. Yeah, because I have to show the real thing. What's happening? Because every day won't be a successful, isn't it? So I should be I should be clear about this. I want to make clear to all the peoples out there. So we, because this is not a single day of journey we'll be heading to. It's just a long process. So we'll just keep on following our strategy, because I'm also checking my system, isn't it? So we will know like what happens if what. Bit trading, high portfolio coming in. I just want this candle to close up, man. Just do it. I just want to see you that doing that. That would be even more better. Just do it, man. Just do it. Just do it. I didn't sleep well yesterday. I'm feeling kind of cold today. Yeah. And the most important thing, one of the important thing, I guess, that your system should follow your. It should be easy for you, man, because it's your lifestyle, isn't it? Like the trading, you are thinking or you're planning to make it your life. So it's like a kind of a relationship you are having with your system. So your system should be helping you, isn't it? It should be making you feel good. It won't harm your health. That's what I want to say. Just make it by, if you're making profit, but like you have to wake up every day night, very late night, and you can't sleep on time, then you could see that this relation is it's just affecting you, so it won't go for a long time. So money is not everything. You are just making a relationship with the market, with your system. So in my case, what happened was like I was because everyone was saying that US market is has a lot of trades, it has a lot of volatile, so we should trade on US. But I'm living here in Australia right now, and I had to wake up for 11, 12, and the next day I have to go early on the morning to the work, and it won't be working, guys, because you can't do every day that routine every day, and they just affect your health. So it won't survive. So that I just gave up that relationship with my system, and right now I've changed a few things on my system, and right now look, it's almost like 8. Usually when I came back from my work, 2:30 p.m. So I got enough time before I sleep. So it's better to make the system which would be favorable for you. Favorable. Yes, 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 guys, you did a great job. Yeah, just close it above it, then it would be better. Lovely setup, that's what I called it, lovely setup. If it would close above this, then it would be lovely one, lovely shot. And we could even trail our stop loss, like if this candle will close up, then we could even, let's try. I'm not saying that it will, because I'm checking my system, but I know I have, according to my data and according to my study, according to my experience, we could trail our stop loss if it would close up. And so that if something wrong happens, we don't have to bear a loss, a lot of a loss. So maybe we'd be risking maybe only $1, and we'd be getting a 10 out of it. So into 10, that's a very nice idea, isn't it? It would be a long video, man. It's gonna be a long video. I don't know how much time it would take me to post it on YouTube, but we'll do it. What time is it? It's 27 second, 27, 24, 23, 22, 21, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and go. Here we go. Yes, that was a good one. Yeah. Let's see what happened here in the order book. Let's see the book. Happening in the book. It's time 10:30, 41, 40, 41, 41. Okay, what happened here is that cumulative delta 6. What time is it now? London. Okay, markets, forex. China's build Android is smaller project, more user UN. Look, the UN, China is planning for smaller projects, and EN are using a lot. Like, so it's better to invest in Chinese currency. Use a Chinese currency. Bangladesh expects 1.1 billion in IMF loans by December. Hong Kong dollar that is extending on liquidities, which Turkey central bank hike rate by double the forecast, 40%. UK inflation fears divide by unexpected output growth. Euro business weakens, increase the odds of recession. Euro area business weakens, increase the odds of recession. Country orange. Huge quantity being traded in the downside. It's not a good sign. Maybe we should wait, or what should we do? I'm kind of feeling that maybe I should take out this trade, because we should be able to reposition ourselves if something wrong happens, and we could take a trade later on once everything gets right, because the volume keep on increasing here on the downside. Let's see. So what's going on? What's going on? It's all good until and unless the price should close up, then we are no need to worry about. Contracts. I really don't like these numbers because it's showing that no one interested here to buy up. So what should we do? Because in our system, if the trading volumes like this shows up, then we should avoid trading, because like when the market try to go up, there is no buyers here, like, and the price is being traded in the lower areas, so it's not a good sign. But still we could see that a lot of number of trading happening in the lower part. It's showing kind of absorption here, so I just want price to close above it. So if that would happen, then that would be great. It's a good sign. It's a huge number of trading. Still no need to worry about, because yeah, seems like a lot of absorption happened here. Yeah, we're still fine. Absorption, good absorption. It's a daily VWAP, and perfect. Nice, one cumulative delta increased by 18. Showing a good changes in commitment of traders. Yeah, I just wanted to go up, man. Yeah, perfect. How much time we are left with? How much time are we left with? 1.50 minutes. My god, it's 9:13 p.m. Oh my god, I haven't yet cooked my food. I have to go and eat my dinner. Cumulative delta increased, got high, got low. Yes, feels like it's going up. Yeah, it would be going, man. It would be going. It would be going. I just want this trade to go on my side, man, because this is my first video. I don't want going a loss on my first one. Yeah. Yeah, perfect. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Until now, so perfect. But volume have decreased a lot, guys. As you can see that here, the trading volume was almost like on 600 range, and suddenly, you know, like 500, 400. So that's why we are keep on waiting for the move. Otherwise, all these moves, it just happened between 15, it's almost like on 30 minutes move, I guess. All these moves in 15 minutes. So what we can't do. That's why I just said that maybe I should come online earlier than today. Then that would be good. Early. I should be early bird. I should be early bird. I should be early bird. Yeah. No way, baby. No way. All you need to go is up. All I want is you to go up, up, up. Might. If I would have trading before, then I couldn't have been taking a long or even sorting this kind of, because it's kind of consolidating here. Because normal trader, if I would have and didn't have any data, like I couldn't have been doing anything here. I just keep on waiting for the break as if it would be going long or low, but you know, like that mostly doesn't happen. Inverted beer flag pattern or whatever they say. Yeah, I used to say that. Look, guys, we are in a good mood now, I guess. I just want this volume to increase. I just want more and more traders coming in. It's the same, guys. You can see an imbalance. You can, okay, but I don't want this. Now, guys, what I can say you is, if you want to trail your stop loss to minimize your risks, you can do that, I guess. Where is it, man? Yeah, you can put a stop loss over here, I guess. I think we should do to minimize our loss, isn't it? We could simply just put. Should we do? Maybe. let's look. Why not? Let's do it. Yeah, let's do it. No, no. What happened, man? What I'm doing is I'm trading my stop loss over here. All right, and it same goes here. I'm just minimizing my capital. I'm just yeah, we can just put it here, over here. All right. So we have trail. This is our stop loss, and this is our target. All right, guys. So we minimized our loss. If something wrong happens, it shouldn't be. So what is the target here? Look, guys. How much is the target here? See, 1:5 risk reward ratio. You are risking $1 right now to get $5. So it means that if you are investing $1 million, no, you are risking $1 million, you are achieving $5 million. So it depends upon your investment how much it would do. This is 1:5 ratio right now, but it's not showing similar to here, man. So that's why I don't like showing something about 43 and 104. 4 threes are 12 is almost a 2.5 in here, but here in trading view is showing quite different. I just don't like when market moves so slow. This didn't used to happen before, but since like all these European session, what happened here? Let's see. London. We should have come here, isn't it? Like, what time is it? What was the time here? Wait for a moment. We should have captured this move. It's 9:15. No, it's what time? It's showing 7 p.m. Pre yeah, in this pre part, maybe in before 7 to 8. Yeah, 7 to 8 would be the favorable time for us to come, isn't it? Would have been better. But yeah, because like the Europeans, they already sorted, and they're waiting for new players to come, since the US is opening soon, I guess, after a few time. London and Europe, at that time they will be moved, I guess. Yeah. I was planning to sleep early today, man, and here almost like 9:30. Man, I just entered in a very low volume time. You could see 500 is keep on declining the volume. No more people, so less people to trade. I could have, let me see what was the most ideal volume. Oh, sorry, man, what I did. PWAP, PWAP. Alright, let's see what happened yesterday. I wasn't here. Ah, similar zone. Okay. Let's volume trade it here. What's going on? Oh, we were looking for the best time, isn't it? We were looking at what time the volume increased here. It was around. Look, just leave it, man. I just want it to saw. What was the time? Okay, so it was 8 p.m. 8 a.m. 7 to 8 a.m. in between this. Yeah, this was in the. Yeah, look, 7 to 8. 7 to 8 a.m. in the Europe. Yeah, that's the ideal for me. That's the ideal one, man. Ideal one. Ideal one. Ideal one. Maybe I should go and cook some food until the market just goes to the direction it's aiming for. Just kidding. I won't leave you guys. It's 9:25 here. Look, here in Australia, it's night time. From tomorrow, I'll come a little early. Before, yeah, here might be 5 o'clock or something like that. At that time, I actually I put my alarm for 5:30 or 5 o'clock, but I just stopped my alarm and slept again. What a chuffer. I really don't like this kind of things, man, when I see this zero trading volumes in the up of night. No buyers up here. Why is this? People are trying short or what? Delta. It's kind of consolidating, like it's not in a trend right now. Maybe it needs some more buyers and sellers to move the market up. Yeah, that's what it is doing right now. if there would have been a lot of volumes here, and yeah, it would have been easier to just went up or low, whatever it is. Tomorrow I won't be coming in this time, man. Mm. Delta keep on increasing. That's a good one. My god, this season would going to be like it's going to be like a movie, very long movie. It's playing on a range. There is no buyers, man. Where are they hiding to? Volume slowly increasing, I guess, from the previous one. Not bad. Look, a lot of trading happening here, a lot of buying and selling. Some bigger moves is going to happen. Some bigger move is coming, I guess. Either it would go down, either it would go up. But yeah. We are stuck in the consolidation phase, man. But no problem, yeah. Here we go. 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 Buyer needs more confirmation. Yeah, they should. Maybe what they are looking. Let's see what most of the people might be thinking right now is let the price break this one, then we would go long. Maybe trend buyers, trend traders, and support resistance would be saying this. And most of people might be thinking that is a bear flag, and it will be definitely going downside, down, going down. Most would be thinking that now, but yeah, whatever it is, let's just break it up. Then maybe there would be a volume increase as this trader would join. I guess they might have a stop entry, yeah, limit orders staying here. That's the job of a trader. I was thinking that a lot of these professional traders in the trade form, yeah, what do we call that, trade, yeah, they said that they just went to the office at 7 o'clock, like 6-7 o'clock in the morning, and they have to come 9-10 on the night. So look, like for one single trade you should have to wait for more than hours and hours. Generate, like we started here on 7, I guess 7:30, and it's almost like 10 p.m. here. So can't do much. Wise man says, only fools rust in. Wise man says, only fools rust in. For I can't help falling in love with thee. That's a good sign. I just saw a few good signs here. Very good, very good. We can even look for, what is this? This is the dollar index. If you have to, you also track dollar if you are doing trade related to dollar as euro USD. There's a pair called dollar, so for that you could even look. It feels like, yeah, dollar is going down, like the trend is swinging downwards, isn't it, the dollar? So high chances that euro is going up here. Even look good, the dollar index is also showing the downtrend. It's better for us, better for us. It's on euro USD. Who knows, they will just take out liquidity and swipe it up and just go up. Most of the time this thing happens during the consolidation phase. Yeah. Oh man, what are we doing? Oh, all those. This was my previous, man. This was my previous. Skip it. This was my previous analysis. Right now we are here. What happens? It just goes away. Let's make it what the flop. Wait, what's going on? This is a figure retracement. Sorry. Now I'm thinking that we should have put our stop loss here. Didn't have, but it's all good. It's really slow. And right now, where were we? Where were we? Yeah, we were here, I guess. Yeah. No, where were we? We were here. Yeah, we were here. We were here. We were here. No, we were here. And our target was here, I guess. Our target, but we just keep it simple. We'll put it 1:2 is I said, but below 1:2 is better. 1.98 maybe. Just put it in written 1 cents. Expect good sign to come up, yeah. Good sign, good sign, good sign. Good sign, keep on swaying up, yeah. Bloomberg, let's close this one, man. Let's close this one, yeah. La 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 la. Yes, 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 yes. Here we go. Come on, man. You keep on waiting, my viewers. You making keep on waiting, my viewers. Let's go. Let's go up. Here we go. Yes. No, it's the same time. Nice. Ramesh called me. My brother, my cousin brother. Let's call him. Let's surprise him that my session is going on right now. Yes. Welcome to our session. Here we are going. ए के गर्नु थियो ए ओके यहाँ पुरै लाइभ स्ट्रिमिङ भइरहेछ युआर मेनी मोर देन 1000 पिपल्स आर वाचिङ यु राइट नाउ त्यो पनि देखिन्छ नाते कता रुममा छस् यहाँ आजबाट गर्नु लाग्यो कि यहाँ स्ट्रिमिङ जस्तो तर यो लाइभ त भएन के अब पोस्ट भइरहेछ अनि अब यो हुन्छ यहाँ पोस्ट हुन्छ बिस्तारै डेली अब के त्यही हो रुम के सिक्नु पर्थ्यो त अनि ए खानपिन भयो त ए टेबल सेबल ल्याइस् त अनि ए ए ए के सबै सामान त फर्निचर सबै जोड्न लागेको जस्तो त्यही फर्निचरहरू सबै जोड्न लागेको जस्तो ए ए रुम त खतरा छ त ए त्यही त भर्खरसम्म त्यहाँ थियो फेरि झ्याप्प त्यहाँ देखिन्छ के अरे सही रहेछ त ए त्यस्तै फोल्डिङ सोल्डिङ सजिलो होला किन्ने हो कि पछि आफूले मजाउन पनि सजिलो हुन्छ ए रुम सरिसक्यो अनमोलले ए ओके ओके यार सिडनीमा महँगो छ भन्छन् लास्टै नि भएको थिएन यार कुरा हिजो ए ठिक छ ए त्यस्तो कुरा गर्नुहुन्थ्यो ए ठिक छ सोचौँला नि त के भएको छ र ल फाइनली यस म्यान लुक हियर as we have planned for. This was our entry. Yes, 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 yes. Look, 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 man. मैले आज मेरो पहिलो भिडियो थियो कि पहिलो भिडियोमा म चाहिँ मेरो एनालाइसिस चाहिँ रङ गएको देखाउन चाहँदैन थिएँ र फाइनल्ली इट्स गोइङ राइट नाउ लाइभ होइन यार यो चाहिँ उयो के भन्छ सेसन प्रि यो के भन्छ रेकर्डेड हो अब यसलाई पोस्ट गर्नुपर्छ अब बिस्तारै फन्डिङ हान्ने हो फन्डिङ उयोहरूमा जाने हो अस्ति मैले भने जस्तो फन्डिङ उयोहरू खोज्ने हो त्यसपछि हुन्छ च्यानल बनाएर पैसा नै प्रोसेस पहिला प्रोसेस यहाँ रेडी हुँदैछ ल ल अहिले पछि कुरा गरौँलाई त म यता अब उयो गर्छु थाहा छैन यार he was my cousin I just talked with him let's focus on the market man yeah look man look 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 here we go here we go here we go let's see what happening here it's almost like yeah we are here now we have to check man at the same time I don't like when there is no buyer up and just keep on now we have to what was our target 1.98 risk reward yeah just go it man go it man go it show my viewers that we can do it so it man so it why is quite high showing -7 what's going on yeah here we go just few points I think I have targeted a lot here man should have been here what was that isn't what was our target was around our stall was 40 4 to the 8 almost like here yeah if it would reach here then we have better 1:2 ratio if market would hit this one it would be 1:2 yeah perfect it's 1:198 yeah we are almost already in profit here I guess we already took it man yeah yes man yes, we can do it just do it look here we go yeah here we go come on man come on I need more push up I need more push the market yeah that's what we need this this man we need this one contracts just go a little bit higher man I think it's already booked in here I guess we are almost about to hit how much pips I guess we got here it's almost like 86 78 80 pips of target yeah here we go just hit it man just hit it smash it just give it a go yeah woo we did it man just see we already booked the profit but here in trading we just keep on running so we don't care as we can see here yeah we already booked man but in trading view it might be showing look it might come down who knows that's why I said that we should always aim for very lesser pips yeah we can close it we already booked our profit So that was for today. It might come down, who knows, but in the long run it would go up. But right now there are less trade happening in the top. As you can see, the buyers and the sellers is not much interested over on the top, but we'll keep on, we're letting it go as it is. But yeah, we just took the profit, and we just got it. It's showing $9,960 for right now. Yeah. All right, guys. That was the one, but yeah, we can just I'll see it later. What happened? But for today, yeah. What was our entry? We had an entry over here. We tried. Yeah, we had entry over here in this candle, and we our stop loss, we trailed it here, and the market just went up here, and we booked almost like 1:2, more than 1:2. Yeah, 1:2. We did it, and we are out of the game. Yeah, guys, so as I said that the market, there wasn't much volume in the market, so there couldn't happen a lot of trade happened, so you had to wait for a long time. So I'll try to come a little bit early from tomorrow, and we'll try to catch the moment as quickly as possible, because what happens in the consolidated market is like the buyer and the sellers, they are getting a fair value with each other, so the trade kind of congested, and it might even go against your stop loss, isn't it? Because there is a fair value both buyer and seller are getting in. So a lot of buyer and seller could step in, and it might go wrong at the same time your analysis. So we should focus on trend market, trendy. So yeah, that's what it is. It's going right now still, but we already booked our profits, so that would be for today. Have a nice day. Hope to see you tomorrow. All right, this can cancel this video.